Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing the unboxing for the month of December's BirchBox. So we get to go over everything that came into this month's BirchBox. Wow, I'm having such a hard time speaking today. And we get to see what is new about this particular box. So I will see you in the video. Hey everybody, okay, so today we are going to do the month of December's BirchBox. Now, I already opened up the cover box for it. I'm not gonna stick it in there. So I'm just gonna show you that this is what the BirchBox looks like. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it is like a metallic-y kind of star like you'd stick on the top of a Christmas tree. It's got it all the way around the box. Now this happens to be bigger than most of the BirchBoxes. It's also kind of thicker and denser. But that is because, and I already got to do like a sneak peek because I'm an ACE member, but that is because it turns into a picture frame for you. So you can either put a picture in here or you can just leave it as this, and it has an inspiration kind of message on it. It says, "This is for you, the best you, the joyful you, the powerful you, the confident you, the well-adjusted just like your parents always hoped for you, the awkward but lovable you, the coy you, the you that you miss, the kick-ass you, and the taking names you. The you you always wanted to be, the you never thought you could be, the you that sits in the mirror waiting for time to see you. You may be out of moisturizer, but you are not out of time. Give a little to yourself because the best of you requires a little time with you. For once, it's all about you." So I thought that was very sweet that they decided to put like a little inspirational message on this, so you could like set it out on your desk or your wherever you do your makeup kind of table thing. And it also came with this little card in here. So let's just set those down and read it real quick. And this is also all the products on the back, of course. But it says, "As we close out the year, Okay, so just reading the card. "As we close out the year, we just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. We know that your life is so full, and we couldn't be more grateful that for a few minutes each month we get to help you find some you time. We wouldn't be BirchBox without you. Cheers to you in years to come." And it just signed the BirchBox team. Another thing that I got in there was a $25 off if you get like $100 more. It's got like a little promo code, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or like gift it maybe to somebody else to use. I have till like January 15th, I think, to figure that out. But then the inside of the box comes wrapped in like little tissue paper, which I think is kind of sweet. So inside the box, you get, because I'm an ACE member, you get to pick an item, and then the rest is mystery to you. So I decided to get the Brigio, I'm not entirely sure how that's pronounced exactly, but it's their shampoo and conditioner. So they just have this like little botanical kind of bee or both of them. They're 1 fluid ounces or 29 milliliters for both little bottles. So they are supposed to be matcha and apple scented. I'll just open up one. They do come safety sealed, so that's something nice. I've noticed that a lot of the BirchBox items, especially like things like this, are safety sealed. They are a cruelty-free and a vegan product, so if that is important to you, I find that a lot of BirchBox items, they are like that for not all of, but most of their items are like that. I think there's a few that aren't, and I don't think there's very many of them that are like that. Okay, so the shampoo and conditioner, they kind of, hold on, let me get a drink. They kind of do the same exact thing, except for with the conditioner, it's supposed to be more hydrating and nutritionist for your hair. It's also supposed to have like a heat protectant, I think, in it. if I read that correctly. But they have apple and matcha for the scent, so it's kind of like putting veggies in your hair and fruits in your hair. It's supposed to be really nice smelling. Because it's safety sealed, I can't smell it, so I'll have to wait until I use it. And I'll just tell you guys on like a review for what it was like and everything. So this is supposed to be very gentle on your scalp, so if you have sensitive skin, that'd work great for you. And it's supposed to have tough on oil and buildup and everything like that. And then the conditioner is supposed to help your hair look stronger. It's supposed to be less dulling. So it's where if you can go like this with your hair and you see that like pretty sheen that most of the time that you should have on your hair. Alright, so we have another Love of Color. It is their pencil shadow. And it is in the color Champagne Problems. I kind of find those fun to say. And it's more on the peachy kind of silvery tone. So if you just open it, it's supposed to have this. This claims to be an 11-hour crease-proof product. For me, I've tried like the primers, I've tried like just putting a powder down and then putting eyeshadow over it. It creases for me, and I'm at work for 8 hours a day, so I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or my eyes are broken. I don't know, but I haven't found something that doesn't crease on my eyelids. So that would be very interesting to try. It's supposed to be a one and done kind of product, so you're supposed to be able to use it. You don't need to like blend it with any special thing. You're supposed to just put it on and go. Alright, so here's another one that I have. It is a 0.17 fluid ounce container, or 0.5 mils. And this is the Real Chemistry's Luminous 3-Minute Peel. Now, I keep getting this particular one and their body one mixed up. So, this one is supposed to be, I think, for your face. And it's supposed to be a gentle, acid-free peel. It's not a mask. It even says it on the back, so this is not a mask. But it's a cleanser for your face. You're supposed to be able to put it on dry skin, rub it. It's supposed to, like, ball up in like these little gel balls, and that's supposed to help scrub away all the dead skin cells and help bring out the pretty shine of your face. So I'm interested in trying this. I did get the other one in a BirchBox from like 2 years ago, and I use it on my legs, and it was really nice for that. So I'm hoping that that one will do basically the same thing, but just for my face. Alright, so I was mentioning in another video that the Aero Boost has lip balms that change to your lip color, but they're supposed to enhance your specific lip color. So like mine are this color naturally, yours would be whatever yours naturally is. What I find interesting is that they're in different shades, and I've looked up the different shades that they have. This one is in Berry Busy, and for the holidays I have been very busy. But it's purple. I don't understand. Like, I don't understand if it's like the cherry chapsticks you get from like Chapstick, if it just blends into your normal look and it just makes you look hydrated, because Lord knows I need more lip balm. But I just don't get what they mean by it enhances your pink hue, so I'll figure it out, I guess. But that was just something that kind of threw me. Alright, so the last item in the box is going to be the Kiehl's Ultra Face Cream. So you get this little tiny face cream here. And then this is supposed to be 2.5 fluid ounces and 0.7 milliliters. And this one does not have a safety seal on it. So it doesn't even have a fragrance, to be honest. Or I can't smell one of the two. But it's supposed to be, let's see, what does this says? It's supposed to be a daily moisturizer that gives you 24-hour full hydration. It's supposed to be a rich, creamy texture without leaving you greasy, absorbs fast without leaving behind any residue. I have the Jara body butter, and I've had that one before. That does the same basic thing, that you can put it on and like snap your finger kind of thing. and it feels like you're not wearing it at all. So I'm assuming that this is supposed to have the same effect, but just not the same exact thing as the jar. I wouldn't use that one on your face. I've tried it and it didn't work out too well. But that is what you get in the BirchBox for the month of December. So I just want to thank you guys for watching, and if you like, comment, and subscribe, then that would be very appreciated. I did want to get the month of December at least, because I'm not sure if I'm going to do any more BirchBox unboxings for a little while. I think I'm just going to kind of move on to more reviews and stuff like that. I'm supposed to get a BoxyCharm box, so I will see when that comes in the mail and we can do the unboxing on that. But I really like this one because it kind of gives you that uplifting little message in the beginning of the box, so that way if you wanted to feel a little better about yourself for the day, then you could always go back to it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for sticking with me even this far into the video, and I hope you guys have a blessed holidays.